See the ferns established naturally, and the mass. I'm going to show you the orchid. How it is. These are the again ferns as epiphytes. You see lovely bulbophyllum orchid, very naturally established. Just have to do spray of water, nothing else. That will take care of the entire scenario. If you give a micro sprinkler, that will fetch the year-round growth and establishment automatically. This is what I was trying to do in Taj Western for rain tree area. Let's see and explore the possibilities and make the dreams fulfilled. Thank you.